Hello friends, in this video, we'll see how fast T-Mobile's home internet is. So let's watch the video until the end. Experience the convenience of T-Mobile's home internet gateway, offering 5G or 4G internet with wireless installation. It's as easy as plug and play. According to T-Mobile, it uses the power of over-the-air 5G to supply reliable connectivity. The 5G gateway uses radio waves to send or receive data. The average download speed for Rely Home Intern plan is 87 to 318 Mbps and the upload speed is 14 to 56 Mbps. While all-in and amplified home internet is 133 to 415 Mbps. In contrast, the upload speed is 12 to 55 megabytes per second. The real-world speed may vary depending on location, signal strength, time, network congestion, and availability. To check your area's coverage or availability, visit the website link in the video description and enter your address to see what plans are available there. According to user tests, real-world speed is the actual speed you experience daily and is available for T-Mobile home internet. T-Mobile provides a 1 to 5 Mbps base speed for everyday activities like social media, personal calls, and light or mobile gaming. T-Mobile offers a 6 Mbps to 14 Mbps speed for moderate activities like HD video conferencing, HD streaming, and file downloading. T-Mobile offers 25 Mbps for heavy internet activities like remote work, learning, and streaming 4K videos. Choose the plan that suits your needs. It's excellent for users who want no-contract internet and live in rural or suburban areas. Visit the speed test website to check and compare your internet speed with others. The link is in the video description. If you want to try T-Mobile and analyze the internet speed, sign up for a 15-day free trial. If you're not satisfied with your internet speed within this period, you can cancel it without any charges. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you've tried T-Mobile's home internet, we'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews.